Welcome to the world of SSDs, where every byte flies faster than ever before. Today, we're diving into the essential choices to optimize your PC's storage performance. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, the right SSD can redefine your computing experience in 2025. The first thing to understand about SSDs is the difference between SATA, NVMe, and PCIe interfaces. Each has unique advantages tailored for specific tasks and budgets. But in a world rapidly embracing PCIe Gen 5, let's explore how to future-proof your next storage upgrade. Capacity matters. For everyday use, 500 gigabytes might suffice, but intensive workloads demand 1 terabyte or more. Now, with SSD prices at their most accessible in years, it's the perfect moment to balance storage size with cost and performance. Another factor to consider is durability, measured by terabytes written TBW. Higher TBW values mean longer-lasting drives, crucial for power users. Plus, innovations in NAND technology now make even budget SSDs surprisingly resilient. Speaking of speed, don't get lost in numbers. Sequential read speeds matter for large transfers, but random IOPS define daily responsiveness. Always match the SSD's speed to your specific workload for the best results. Compatibility can't be overlooked. Check your motherboard's interface. Older systems support SATA, while newer ones excel with NVMe. Adapters can bridge gaps, but native support always delivers the best results. For gamers, SSDs are now the key to reducing lag and loading screens. Recent titles, especially in 2025, are designed to harness NVMe speeds. Say goodbye to waiting and hello to instant immersion. Content creators, it's time to lean into high-speed NVMe drives for handling 4K and 8K files. The sheer throughput of modern drives, especially Gen 4 and Gen 5, makes rendering and editing smoother than ever. If you're on a tighter budget, DRAM-less SSDs offer decent performance at a fraction of the cost. While they lack the premium cache systems of flagship models, they still provide a huge boost over traditional HDDs for general tasks. In conclusion, the perfect SSD depends on how you use your PC, focusing on speed, endurance, or capacity. With innovations in SSD tech, there's never been a better time to upgrade your storage. Equip your system wisely and let your PC soar to new heights.